Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add love eye effect on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, you can click on the body effect. And then at the menu, you can click on headwear. And now you can see in here, you can click on the love eyes effect. Click on it. And in here, you can click check icon, this one. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the color, for the size, for the range, and for the speed. And after this, you can click check icon at the bottom. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video. Finish. So that's how to add love eyes effect on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.